Today, I'll guide you through canceling an order on JCPenney's website. Follow these steps to cancel your order hassle-free. First, head over to jcpenney.com and navigate to the homepage. Sign into your account by clicking on the Sign In button and entering your email and password. Once you're signed in, locate the Track My Orders section. Here, you'll find a list of your recent orders. If you don't have any recent orders, you won't see anything listed. Assuming you have an order to cancel, click on the order you wish to cancel. Look for the option to cancel the order and click on it. Confirm the cancellation, and your order will be successfully canceled. Keep in mind that it may take 3 to 4 days for the refund to appear in your account. Also, if you fail to pick up your JCP order within 10 days, JCPenney will automatically cancel the order and refund you to your payment method. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.